Hello mga friends. So today, ilalearn nyo kung ano yung ways mag-grind ng coins. Kita nyo may pera sa kamay ko. Hindi yan for free. Ginamit ko yan. Basta, try nyo yung trick na yan. 31% kaya bilisan nyo. Tara. Let's go. First, we're gonna be doing Duel. I'm the best at Duel. Good thing I got the... Bro, cheating. How did I die? Some cheating. Let's not do Duel. What? That's gonna be create racing. Let's just go later on. Right. Alright, let's go. Let's go grind some coins. Let's go grind. Let's go grind, boys. Let's go grind. No, it's going to red. It's going to red. Oh, mas speed. Then go grinding. O chicken gun developer, bilisan nyo. Best lap. Race time. Ba't may race time? Yep. Oh, Ato clicker. Ato clicker lagi. Oh my god. Come on, friends. So yeah, I got 37 coins. Next. Capture flag. That's too hard. Hello. Phew, I'm a chick. I like being a chick. Too slow. Let's not try that. Next, Elite Squad. I'm really good at Elite Squad. Back to mom. Start now. Uy. Thanks. I got no interest, so... Yep. Noob mobs. I know a glitch. Hey, stop. Poop mom. You're poop. You're poop. You're all poop. Noob. What do you do? What gonna do? What gonna do? I still collect. No. No. Nope. Nope. No, please. No, please. No, please. I'm not gonna make it. Phew. Phew. How did I not know this trick? Okay. I'm really scared. There. Where am I? Phew. No. will distract me. Huh? It's still collecting. Be the pro. Be the pro, okay? You're the moves. And I'm the pro. Go up. Guys, I know get this trick from the Dragon Lord. Yeah! Yeah! What? I did that for nothing. This really disappointing. I mean, just made it for one person only.
I'm thinking. Wait, what could they drop them?
For the bet do. Well,
I will get the head. Ha! Nilagay na yung head dito.
where is Elite Squad? Yup.
Nakalo ko lahat ng mga family members niya. Pero pa ba natitira? So, ang gagawin na dito, tatakot na tayo sa place na ito. Not an army of robots. Ala, ang dami niya palang clone dito eh. Ang dami niya palang version. What the? Uy, dumis ako.
Let's go.
Uy.
Let's go. Oh, Magga! Magga, you scared me. Oh, Magga. Please. Please. I don't wanna scream when Ooh! You almost get the boop mobs. You boop mobs. Die mobs. Die. No. No. No, no. The holy trick. Hope this not fall. No. No. Your turn. No, no, no. You poop. You poop. No, you poop. No, 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 please. No, please. No, please. Ah. Yep.
I will go to the boys' slide kasi you know I'm a boy kaya dito tayo friend. Let's go. What? Pupunta tayo sa girls' slide. Ano ba yan? Lakas ng trip. That is so sexy. Saan tayo pupunta? Find the button. Okay. Hindi naman ito naka-atake, diba? Find the button.
Still recording.
Okay, maglaro lang kayo dyan.
Right. Please don't go down. Please. This might be the biggest mistake. Oh, thanks. I need you, Carl. What? Are you gonna... Thanks. Siyam, bro.
Saan nagpunta yun? Pero meron akong key. Meron akong ano nangyari. And what is that? Yan, spam na natin. Oh my. Hello. Oh, baris na.
See? 83 coins.
Ang dali naman. Okay,
Not
next.
finally, thanks TF.
Obi.
Hoy, Bricks! Adin ko yun. Hindi kayo inuusapan.
Kung ano to? Go.
Ba't baboy ako? Ayaw ko baboy. Chick ako.
Kasi pwede tayo dadaan sa road go. Hindi natin susundin yung mga sign. Hindi natin susundin yung sign, pero susundin natin yung arrow.
Yet, dito tayo sa marami. Oh, cheat tayo. Nah! Taki! Yupup! Yupup! Kasalanan nila. Anong chihuahua? Ba't ang taba na ito? Ha? Ano to? Kinakuha ko or for 3? Ano yun? Maging mortal na ako? Nope.
Umiyak ka ba, Tay? Ano to? It's a trap. Okay lang yan, Tay. Wow! Wow! I'm on
About-
the side na. Isa na ako
Grabe.
Meron ako sariling robot. Ang aste! Meron ako sariling robot.
Dul.
Ha? Makulit ka ha? Paluin. Paluin. Anong pinagagawa mo kay Barry ha? Anong pinagawa mo kay Barry? Oh no. Did I lose? Oh no, I think I lost. Oh, kailangan ganito. Okay. Oh, hindi lang. Huwag tayo magpapahit. Oh, yun na. Yes! Yes, easy. What? Wala tumalun. Ginagawa mo. Uy, madaya. Madaya, tumalun.
Bawal.
Uy, helicopter. Helicopter.
Yep. Let's go.
Yes, yung nagkocontrol niya na.
Yes, ako yung chick. Manok.
Yes! Tapos na? Oh,
Gawin natin yung... Uy! Kumulog.
galing.
Malam ng bata ng cheetah.
Yes!
Kulang. Seryoso.
Yes, your time is 1,115 seconds. What? Ganun ako katagal naglaro nito. Yes! Collect the win trophy. Yes!
Yes.
Win game award. Yes!
Your poop.
Play again, no ano man. Ito, jump. And then, speed.
And use the holy thing. Jump pad.
Ito, X. Ay, hala, ba't pumangit na tayo?
Mabait. Ah,
Hello guys, welcome back sa bagong video. So wala akong magawa. Kaya
Ah.
naisipan ko mag-treat ng mga bata dito sa Brookhaven Map. Sa video na to, tayo ay isang ma'am. So
Ulit.
hindi tayo pwedeng maging ma'am kapag ganito itsura natin. Di ba ma'am?
Anong,
Walang magpapa-adapt sa
anong IQ yun?
Makahanap sila ng mas better ma'am sa atin. Kaya ang gagawin natin, mag-iiba tayo ng karakter. Palitan natin yung yung buhok natin guys. Kasi kapag may keyboard natin, kasi pinagad nila na buhok.
Hirap.
Talaga yung itsura natin dito guys. Kaya gagawin natin yung mga babae yan. So, palitan natin.
Yet.
Gawin natin.
Go. Ban natin. Anong pagi kahit nakakamay ka lang.
Yung galit guys. Kailangan yung galit. Okay. Try natin dito. Ito, emo.
Lahat na lang mabait.
Paano kaya sila mag-grade? Nakalimutan ko na kung itsura ng mga
Lahat naman.
7 mo dito mga friendly. Oy, ba't may nakatingin na bacon dito sa atin? We are transforming na into Brookhaven ma'am guys. Dapat ito ma'am talaga ma'am. Ito. Ayan! Oh my God! Balikan natin!
You're in the video.
Ito. Balitan natin. Gawin natin ganito. Yan. Okay, mas yan. Ngayon, mukha na tayong mga guys.
Mag-dodge tayo parang pro. Uy, piti mo ako. Kahit na anong gawin mo. Pisat ka. Ang putik. Bastos. Wala naman. Help! Ni poop. The joke natin siya. Sneak tayo. Yep. Bilis, Rage. Let's go. Huwag na. Yun ang pinaka-best way mag-earn ng coins. Pero mga friend, bye-bye. See you. Ay.